Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a full unboxing review and setup of my new JYX portable speaker. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Definitely like to have some party speakers, particularly karaoke ones if possible. User manual. Auxiliary. There should be like a strap for it. Everything comes neatly packed in there. 2 microphones. Very cool. As well as a remote for it. Now let's actually look at the speaker. As you can see, it's like a green retro colored style speaker. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so this is the actual speaker. Damn, this looks cool. It's like a green retro style looking speaker. It's got like a sub back here. Check out the top of it. Very cool. This actually looks really nice. So let's go ahead and fire it up. We'll test out the microphones, go over some of the features, and then we'll go from there. So it's that simple. Just hit the power button right there. As you can see, it's got an LED right there. That's sweet. So I just wanted to show some of the features at the very top. So as you can see, it's got USB, it's got a micro SD card, it's got the auxiliary over here. It's currently on Bluetooth, which is the one that I'm probably gonna use. So I took it up to my Bluetooth. All right, there it is. Connected right away. So let's go ahead and play some music just to kind of test out the speaker. Then we'll hook up the microphones and test those out as well. All right, so let's go ahead and hear the actual speaker.
Hard work got first, yeah. To the day I'm in the dirt, yeah. Jesus Christ is Lord, yeah. I know who I serve, yeah. When my life was hard, yeah. All my prayers were heard, yeah. So hard work got first, yeah. Hard work got first, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So you can actually even change like the amount of bass that you get, the amount of treble that you get on there. So that's really cool. So like some of maybe like a hip hop song, you may want to turn the bass all the way up on that. So that's really nice. And I'm gonna turn it up all the way just so we kind of hear it all the way through. I don't know how it'll come on the phone, but let's see.
I can never go back to the way that it was. Consistency is key, and that's what I'm on. Be disciplined now, regret when it's gone. Fail and get up, that's the way to get strong. I built an altar and gave it to God. Made my best song and it still hasn't dropped. Went on a run and it still hasn't stopped.
So as you can see, it could actually pick up quite a bit of volume on there. It still doesn't lose, like it starts getting all distorted. It actually sounds really clean. Go ahead and hook up the microphones on to kind of test that out as well. And then for the microphones, we're just going to take this part off. And it does use 2 AA batteries, 2 on each one. So we'll go ahead and put some batteries in these. And then we'll also test out the remote. The remote uses 2 AAAs, so we'll go ahead and load that up as well. All right, so let's go ahead and test all these out. We got the batteries on there, and I just wanted to show on here, it does have some cool options on here. So we'll go ahead and push like the laughter one. I'll just put it up a little bit. So that's cool, like if you're doing karaoke. It says yell. I like that. It's got whistling. And then crow. That's giggles. Applause, gunshot, and booze. Oh, that'd be funny. This one's definitely going to be a karaoke favorite. So you're able to control the volume right on here. So I'll just put it up a little bit using this. Hit mute on it if you want to stop it right away. So very awesome. You're able to control just about everything right here, right from the remote. And then I'll go ahead and attach the straps to it. So this will make it easy to carry around, especially since the battery lasts you 72 hours on one charge, which one charge will only take 4 to 6 hours to fully charge. It'll do playback for 72 hours. Like I said, that's pretty awesome. And then on the subwoofer back here, it is an 8-inch subwoofer. So I guess that's why you're able to hear some pretty nice bass on there. So now let's go ahead and hook up the microphones. We'll just hit on. As you can see, let's know they're on. All right, so literally you just turn them on. It auto-connected instantly. And as you can see, it's already playing through the speaker on both of them. So as you can see, very easy to set up the microphones. All right, so as you can see, the mics are super easy to connect. And the other cool thing is, as you can see, it does have a light in the front. If you don't want to have it on, you can just turn it off. There's also different modes for the lights. As you can see, this is one of them. There's this one. That one. Quite a bit of different ones. Like I said, one of my favorite features is that you can take it with you, either through here, or if you just want to carry it this way, you can. So there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a new portable speaker that you can hook microphones to, Bluetooth, you can adjust a lot of the settings on here, connect your own microphones. You can connect your USB, micro SD cards in here. It can just do so much. So if you guys are looking for a new portable speaker, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.